Think about your last weeks of work. How much of it was actual work and how much was just coordinating? Pinging someone for an update, sitting in a meeting that could have been a message, waiting for a review that took 3 days. Look, that's not an engineering problem. That happens everywhere. Recruiting, sales, security, you name it. So we built something to fix it. AI agents that handle all of that and more for you. My name is Sanch, and today I'll be showing you something that I've been working on at 10 Scrums. Let's get into it. So this is Agent Scrum. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is a tutorial that explains the basics. You've got a board, columns for each stage of your workflow, and AI agents assigned to each stage. Every agent has a specific role, a set of tools, and runs on a dual model setup. Gemini 2.0 Flash for the fast stuff, Claude Opus for the heavy thinking. Now, these aren't just chatbots. Each one has a job. They read context, use tools, make decisions, and pass work to the next agent, just like a real team member would. And you can see it all happening in real time. You can also jump in, mention an agent if you want to steer things, or just watch the chaos unfold, which is what I like to do. Basically, you define the work. They handle everything between requested and done. We currently have 4 board templates ready to go. This is a software development board. Let's boot up the swarm. By default, you have 6 software development agents: the product owner, developer, tech lead, code reviewer, quality assurance, and the scrum master. 7 stages from backlog to done. You drop in a product's requirement document, and they break it into stories, create tasks, write code, review it, run tests, the whole thing. 19 tools built in, everything from security scanning to CI/CD validation. Need to hire new talent? No problem. This is the talent acquisition board. 5 agents, 6 stages from source to hired. Let's simulate some candidates. You submit a job requisition, and agents handle sourcing, screening, interview scheduling, scoring, all of it. 4 HR tools baked in. Need to close more deals? Let me show you the sales board. Let's simulate some data here. And deals flow from lead all the way to closed won. Lead scoring, proposal generation, CRM sync, contract building, everything automated. Security keeping you awake at night? Let me show you the CISO board. Security risks are tracked from identified to resolved. Threat detection, patch management, compliance auditing, incident tracking, security ops that actually scales. In total, we have 4 templates, resulting in 31 tools, all pre-configured, nothing to set up. One more thing, you can run all of this in simulation mode. No API key needed. It's a great way to explore the platform and see how everything works. Look, the point is pretty simple. Your engineers should be building, not waiting on reviews. Your recruiters should be talking to people, not scheduling calendars. Your sales team should be closing deals, not managing spreadsheets. Agent Scrum takes the process off of their plates, so they can actually do the work you hired them to do. And it's super flexible. You have a ton of agents already pre-configured. You can add your own agents by going to the Agent Manager tab, add agent, you can select one of the templates we already have, you can create your own, completely custom, you can create your own tools, give them an ID, name, a description, and their capabilities. Essentially, you can set up a workflow that matches how your team actually works. You're not confined to these templates. Looking into the future, the teams that figure out how to use AI agents, not just in code generation, but in all aspects of their organizations, they're going to move at a completely different speed. The demo is live right now. The link is in the description, or you can scan this QR code right here. Pick a board, drop in an item, and watch your agents go to work. Also, if you have any naming suggestions, let us know. We're open to ideas. Thanks for watching.